I think the workload sometimes and the time constraints, and especially with a full-time course, you need to work to strict deadlines.
So generally the most challenging part is the teaching practice itself. If people have no experience, then it can be quite stressful standing in front of a group of people for the first time, but then the bloom of confidence as you go through the course is amazing.
If they're on the full-time course, it's the workload and keeping up with, coming up with ideas for your lessons as well as finishing your assignments.
I think what the people on the course, the students on the course find the most challenging and at the same time the most rewarding is the teaching practice, because you're standing up in front of a group of adults who are all there to learn, and they're really there to learn. They're real students of English, and it's all down to planning. Planning is the key to success in the classroom.
If people have experience, it can be quite difficult to take feedback because it feels like you're being challenged on the teaching that you've always done. But the CELTA trainers are there to help everybody and to help you all develop. So although it's challenging, it's worth it.